So it is now PruneFace time. All right, so the PruneFace box, we're gonna take a look at the figure and stuff. But the box is, I mean, it's minimalist. It's actually I like this kind of cartoon look for the Dick Tracy style. Why he looks like Joe Biden, I have no earthly idea. But let's take a look at PruneFace that we just got in stock as well. We just gonna pop him open. He's heavy. He's actually heavier than the Goblin. All right. The soft goods on this are absolutely amazing. This is amazing. So he's double jointed. Yeah, the soft goods on this are really nice. Look at that nice tight seam down his jacket. His pants are nice tight seam down his pants. Wow, this is a really nice figure. So we got PruneFace. I love the Dick Tracy line. I'm so glad that they came up with it because this is another one that I'm gonna probably display. So there's a PruneFace body, double jointed. I think all the bodies are going to be double jointed now. Yeah, that's a tight seam. I like that. Comes with a gas mask. Let's see what else we got. He's a heavy figure too. Let's take a look at these heads. It's actually a really great face. Looks like 3 of these heads are almost exactly the same. Looks like it has a small peg on the bottom to switch them out. And then a little snarl face. Comes with a hat. I do like this figure. I like this figure a lot. It has hands. It has the radio, headphones, which goes, I'm guessing, to something on the bottom side. He's got a typewriter that actually moves. That's interesting. Usually those are just stationary, but yeah. Let's get into the bottoms trays. It comes with a bunch of accessories. It comes with a bunch of guns. Oh, it comes with hold on a second. It looks like he comes with a trench coat too. This is crazy. I have to look. I should know what this is, but these soft goods are amazing on this figure. Oh, it has a little wire at the bottom too. Yeah, I can't say enough how good these soft goods are. That's absolutely amazing. He's got the PruneFace base. Sorry, guys. Back in there. PruneFace base. And it looks like we have got some guns, probably smoke bombs, cigarettes. Oh, he has cigarettes? Which one? I don't wonder which. Are those cigarettes? Those are cigarettes. Wow, the detail on this is absolutely amazing. Like, just how small of an accessory this is, but how much it'll look so cool on the actual figure. Like, this is a small-ass cigarette. Let's see if I can get this back in here now. Hold on 1 second. We'll get this. Put those back on. So you got the machine gun accessories that I believe show the bullets on them. Yeah, show the bullets on them. This is going to be an amazing set when the Dick Tracy and flat top figure comes out. But yeah, just this PruneFace figure is unreal. Just unbelievable. It's great. It's really, really nice. I'm glad I got him. I'm glad a lot of people got him because it's going to be interesting to see. I think he might be a sleeper. He might be a sleeper figure because the soft goods, the artwork, everything's so amazing on him. Like even his little handkerchief. So just want to do a look. He doesn't have as much as Goblin, so just wanted to do a quick look at PruneFace. And once the next figure comes out, you know us, we will probably get it first. And we will definitely get it to you guys first. So, that's PruneFace. Have a good one, guys.